What is good, YouTube? We are back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a backroads POV drive for you. Beautiful Saturday. I'm not going to talk at all during this video. I'm just going to have just the car sounds, but we're going to go look for some cool backroads and let's go. Alright, that's going to be it for today's video, guys. I hope you did enjoy it. If you're not already following my Instagram and my TikTok, go do that. They're linked in the description. I'm planning on starting a carbon wheel company soon, so when that releases I will post a website and go check that out. But yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.